And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the details tag. It's not often used, but it's a simple to use tag. It can be used to give the user an interactive event, and usually you want to use the summary tag with it. Let me just show you an example. We need the opening and a closing tag, and inside of it you can basically nest every other tag or every other information inside of other tags. I'm just going to use a paragraph here, but it could also be a table, for example, or form, whatever you want. Let me make it really simple. Let's just say someone doesn't know what YouTube is. I create this, I refresh my page, and here you now have this drop-down event, so an interactive thing to click on. But for now it just says details, and inside of it is our paragraph, and this is what the summary tag is for. So you can define the word that is shown by default inside of the summary tag, which is nested inside of the details. And I'll make it YouTube, I save it, refresh, and now it says YouTube. And if the user clicks on it, the paragraph is opened. So the summary is always shown by default, and the rest is the additional information. As I've said, you can nest other elements and tags inside, so if I want to, for example, make this bold, I can use the v tag. One more thing to add, there is a specific attribute that allows you to change the default. By default, it's a closed interactive event, so you only see YouTube, which is nested inside of the summary, but you can set the attribute open to a value of open. And now if the page is refreshed, the additional information is going to be open. You don't have to write it like this. You can just add the attribute and leave out the value. The browser does know what to do. So let me get rid of this. I refresh the page. And you can see it's open now. By default, the details tag is always closed, so you don't have to give it the attribute of closed. This is just the default state of it. And this is how I can use the details tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.